Hi guys, so for today's tutorial we're going to be making a macrame keychain. So I'll teach you how to do this one. So what you need is, I have 4 pieces of this natural rope. These are cut to 16 inches. This is going to be the body, and then I chose this kind of beigey color to do the gathering knot here. I chose pink for that one. Anyhow, and then we have a keychain. I chose one with a little tiny loop just because I like the way that it looks when we're done. We're going to need a comb to cut out the fringe, and then tape is optional. So what I've done is I've taped all the ends together here. So I've done that because this top is so small, so it just helps to push it through. Otherwise it'd be sitting there a very long time because that's how it's all frayed, as you can see. Okay, so we're just going to make sure that they're even. Remove the tape. Rope on each side. I'm just going to move these out of the way. So we're going to take our hoop, and we're going to make sure that these are lined up well. We're going to take 2 and put them straight up, 2 straight to the side, the other 2 straight down, and these 2 out to the side. Good and lined up, because this is going to be the very top of it, so you want to make sure everything's in order here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to start by taking these 2. I'm just going to loop them this way. Okay, I'm going to take the next one, I'm going to loop it this way, and I'll take, let's tighten that up a bit, this one, and I'll loop it this way. And then with the last one, it's going to go over these 2 but under this one. Okay, that's what it should look like. And then we're gently, the first one, just going to pull all of these ropes out. What your first one should look like. Now we're going to do the exact same thing again.